This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing hardware and software. Plug the Xbox One controller into the PC with a known good cable, or enable Bluetooth pairing if you have the wireless model. Once done, make sure Windows recognizes the device in Devices and Printers, or that Steam shows the controller under Settings Controller. You do this because ETS2 reads input either through Steam input or Windows X input. Getting initial detection right prevents input mapping conflicts later. Next, open Steam Big Picture and enable Xbox configuration support so Steam layers correct X input mappings. Then launch Euro Truck Simulator 2 and choose generic or X input controller in the options, because ETS2 prefers a consistent API for axis and force feedback. You should map steering, throttle, brake, clutch, and assign buttons, adjust axis dead zones and sensitivity until steering centers reliably. This detailed mapping avoids erratic steering and ensures pedals register smoothly during gameplay. Finally, test the controller in-game by driving slowly and observing steering return to center and pedal responsiveness. You want predictable behavior before longer sessions. Make incremental adjustments to dead zone, linearity, and force feedback strength in ETS2 until inputs feel natural, and save the profile. If things fail, reconnect the cable, update controller drivers and Steam, or temporarily disable other controller utilities, because conflicting software often hijacks X input. One key tip: restart Steam after changes to ensure mappings refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.